Okay, so for our next here. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to experiment some of 5 minutes craft, hairstyle, hair up. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so on our first video, we have some hair tie attached to each other. So that's the first thing we're going to do. I have this jar here of hair bands. So we are going to attach them together and see the result.
Alright, so we have about 5. I think I want to do 3 more or so. Okay, I think my hair is this long. Alright, so let's see what's next.
Alright, so she catch our hair in one. I'm going to use some water so I can better manage. I think I'm going to use one of these instead. So you have a closer fit. Alright, so let's continue. Okay, so she put this, she tied this to the first hairband. So I tied it to the back. I tied it to the back of the clip. And let's see how it goes. Okay. It's enough. Alright, and you pull out the sides. Alright, so for hairstyle number 2, yes, and this like this. Oh, so we're doing it wrong. Let's start over.
Yes, baby.
So when she started with the first two, she brought it over like that, and then she start with a new one, and she brought it over, and she start with another one here, and she brought it over.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I think I need some hairpins. All right. So I think I'm going to put the hairpin, hold it down. All right. Yes, she did put an hairpin there, and then she.
Wow, the pressure is getting worse.
And then she used a hair tie to catch.
I'm dying. Help me.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so for our next hair. Alright, so for our next hairstyle, let's see. Alright. I really just want to try this hairstyle. See how it goes, because it looks like it has potential. It really does have potential. All right, so on to our next hairstyle. Alright, so on to our next hairstyle. She made a ponytail, and she did two ponytail into one ponytail and turned it into one flat ponytail.
What?
Alright, so she made one ponytail Uh-uh. And then she made
Helicopter, helicopter.
it's giving me a bow vibes, you know. Hairstyle potential. All right.
Got him!
Hell.